Most people miss one simple step when checking their Steam gift card balance, and that's why they think their money is gone. Here's the truth no one tells you. Your Steam balance is always there, but people often look in the wrong place or forget how Steam actually displays wallet funds. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to check your Steam gift card balance in 2026, the right way, step by step, so you never lose track of your funds again. Let's start immediately with the fastest method. Open Steam on your phone or computer and log into your account. Now look at the top right corner. You will see your profile name. Click on it. From the menu, select Account Details. This is where Steam stores all your wallet information. Now here's where it gets interesting. Inside Account Details, you will see Store and Purchase History. Tap or click that. At the very top, you will see your Steam wallet balance clearly displayed. This is your total available gift card money and any added funds. But here's the problem many users like Alex face. They expect the balance to appear on the homepage or store screen, but Steam does not show it there all the time. So they think the card did not work, even though it did. Now let's go one step deeper. If you recently redeemed a gift card, scroll down to View Purchase History. You will see the exact redemption entry with date and amount. This confirms your gift card was successfully added. If your balance still shows zero, don't panic yet. First, refresh your Steam client. Log out completely and log back in. Sometimes John users experience syncing delays, especially after new redemptions. The system updates after a short delay. Next, check if you are on the correct account. This is a very common mistake. Many people have multiple Steam accounts and accidentally redeem the card on a different one. If that happens, the balance will not appear here at all. Now let's talk about mobile users. If you are using the Steam app, tap the three-line menu in the top left. Go to Account Details, then Wallet. The balance is shown in the same way, just in a slightly different layout. One more important thing. If your gift card was just purchased, wait a few minutes after redemption. Steam sometimes processes wallet updates in short intervals, not instantly. So to summarize, your Steam gift card balance is always found in Account Details under Wallet or Purchase History. Most issues come from wrong navigation, account confusion, or syncing delays, not actual missing money. Now you know exactly how to check your Steam balance without guessing or stress. If this helped, leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe for more simple Steam guides that actually save you time.